Is there any LPG in the USA? Is that propane? If that's what it is, then yeah, it is. Lots of propane. DoorDash booted me off like 3 years ago. Still can't get back on. You just got to use more brain cells. If you acclimate more of your brain cells into getting back on the platform, you will get back on there. Will I go into the details? No, I will not. But if you use a bigger portion of your brain and your time and effort, you will get back on the platform. You probably put more effort typing that message than you did actually trying to get back on. Because if you wanted to really complete some deliveries, you could. Because I'm going to let you know right now. If you want to get on any platform, they can't stop you from getting on there. If you really put your mind to it, you cannot be stopped. Like me, I said, ain't nobody stopping shit. And I'm good. So I don't let nobody stop me. But if you admit defeat and say, you know what, they deactivated me, I guess I got an appeal. Then you lose. I refuse to lose. I refuse. If anybody in the equation loses, it will not be FDA Dash and Trader. Look, DoorDash can lose, the customer can lose. But I promise you, I will not be the one losing. This customer is going to be the one losing. DoorDash is going to have to raise this by a quarter. DoorDash will be the loser. But me, I will be sitting in this parking lot. And some people may say, well, hey, you sitting there ain't making no money. You are losing. And if you say that, I'm going to say you're dumb. Because there's 200 people in the chat. And you one of them. So that would make you dumb. Look at that shit. Look at it. All base pay. Let's turn on rideshare. I'm not picking nobody up, but I just want to decline more offers. Those orders missing me off, and I'm not even, those orders pissing you off and you're not the one driving. You just need a new number and a new email. Look, getting game right there. Uh-oh, I forgot to give that Chick-fil-A person they chocolate milk. Whoops. See? If they would have tipped enough, I would have remembered, but they didn't tip enough, so I forgot. That's how it be. I was so mad that they wanted extra service for no extra money that I forgot to grab their extra shit. See what happened when you don't tip? When you don't tip good, shit like this happen. Because I was so focused on the extra shit they wanted me to do, go to the second floor, blah, 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 room 221. I was so focused on that they ain't get this. That's on them. If they would have tipped enough, I wouldn't have had no problem going anywhere, doing anything. But since they broke and they hungry, they don't get everything. That's how shit work. And this was an honest to God mistake. Like real shit. This was an honest to God mistake. But guess what? Think I give a shit? Nope. Because guess what? You think Uber or DoorDash give a fuck about you? Nope. So guess what? Watch I drink this motherfucker. And watch I don't feel bad at all. Watch me. Hold up. Woo, I ain't even had chocolate milk in years. It's been years since I had chocolate milk. You think I give a damn? Nope. It's free. So I'm happy. Oh shit. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my goodness. The freeness. I can taste the savings in every sip. Every chocolatey, milky piece. Look at this. Look. Can't you just see the freeness in that mouth? You can see the level of freeness in that cup. That's crazy. This is not a cup. This is a bottle. But that's the point though. I will not lose. I'm not losing when it comes to this food delivery. The customer can lose. Customer lost. DoorDash is finna refund them this chocolate milk. They is. They finna come up out of some credits for this milk. Damn right. So you know what that means? Chick-fil-A finna come out some free milk. But guess what? You think I'm going to the second floor? Or you think I'm finna feel bad about forgetting the milk? Hell no. Hell to the no. Got me messed up. Boy, I'm about to turn this toilet up tomorrow. I should not be drinking this shit. But I gotta prove a point, man. They got me messed up. And you think I'm about to let that milk go bad? Hell to the no. That's against the code. You understand? It's all about setting a daily goal. That's right. That is right. You got tipped in chocolate milk. On my mama. They know what color I am. They say, no, he black. Give him the chocolate milk. Hell yeah. All right, let's pull over here. We got 217 in the box. Let me find out. Y'all ain't send no money to my cash app. Hold up.